Today is day 22 of my ongoing 90 days trading challenge. Ngasi ay hojik chathariba 90 days trading challenge ki kunithoi suba numit October date 19, 2022. So let's have a very quick review of today's trading session. First of all, as usual, let's see the important levels that I had marked for today based on the previous session. Sigi level si ngarangi closing ko ibanina sigi level si maina mark tawre potential support or resistance on act of yabanina sigi level si mark tawre. This is an important support area from yesterday, and then there is an important trend line which was forming up from yesterday, and then this is the earlier level which I was using for previous session. This is an important resistance area for bank from earlier day. So these are the important levels for bank Nifty, and for Nifty kisu si sima dum hanagi place I have marked the support area. So Nifty kisu, for Nifty also, this was the level that I had marked today, previously close area, and then this is the support area from yesterday. So these are the minor locations that I was observing for today. Now let's see the trades that I have taken today. My first market opened with a gap up when I see almost 330 points gap up la market was still stuck in a close range. See, first initial candle trade stuck tawraga laigra. Meanwhile, Nifty ki the first balance candle range sigi range da lairam sigi candle sina breakout tawra sida breakout tawra matungda my first trade was initiated in Bank Nifty da one yaure around 11:20 am 11:25 then yaure I shorted 40,500 put option. Then I should tell you what is the logic behind this trade is that after breaking out from this previous day's high, Sigi Mapazde breakout matungda, it had come back to retest this area. Sigi area, so Sigi Manaxi la matungda it had closed above this 20 EMA matatasu closed out. At the same time, what I was looking out in the morning was that Nifty had already broken away from this previous today's range. And after a pullback, it is starting to cross above this range again. Sigi range matak kakala pahorokre. I thought that Bank Nifty will move higher from here. Since it is still an uptrend da laiba oibanina, uptrend da laiba oibanina, consolidate aur matungda matak kakala kari aina plan tawbiba. Unluckily my stop loss was hit here around 11:34 am. I start here. Sigi trade si yam phajabo ide habagi maramdi I should have waited for this candle to directly test this area. Sigi area se direct test to bobo bai singa ngai da bida kitang wale ngai da price sanction gi bina maram oraga sigi stop loss ani ngai masa mo ai. Jadi sai bo ngai ramaga sidai retest to roga kahala boy tagal it should have been a better trade. My second trade was entered here again in Bank Nifty here at around 11:45. 1150 I bought 40,000 next expiry put option. Sida I nasangibagi logic sina Bank Nifty had broken down from this range. Ngarangi previously high sigi laiba sigi range sigi area sidagi it had broken down here. I was waiting for a pullback, so this gave me the pullback, and once it started to fall down from here, right at this candle I shorted my I bought the Bank Nifty put option keeping my stop loss above this swing high. See swing high matak sila stop loss thamaga changare. My first target was till this zone that I had marked in the morning. Sigi area sibokda ki first target ore. My second target was till here, till this zone, till this line, and my third target was till here. But my market started to reverse from this zone, so I booked my position here at around 12:55. Then I booked over at 12:56. My third trade was entered in Bank Nifty again at around 1 p.m. right, 1:25 p.m. At 2:20 p.m. 2:20 p.m. I sorted 40,500 put option again. I know what is the logic behind this trade is that market was starting to recover from this support area. This support area is recover tawra matungda sigi swing high ama sida sema makanda sumaina ken gibase. Bank Nifty was falling like this. So instead of falling down like this, Bank Nifty started to recover in a double pattern. Sumaina recover tawra pa hokre. Recover tawra hokre. So once this swing was broken, sida broken tawra matakta kai gatre. Kai gatre matungda I waited for one candle and I entered here. So I should have keeping my stop loss around here in my mind. But the mistake that I did here was I was very overconfident in this trade. See trade I am overconfident stop loss system da sida hapagi spite system da stop loss hapaga thamai muta plus candle this mana pullback ngaraga musang hogdra. See stop loss system have to haptre. So I was very much emotionally attached with this trade. See trade today I am emotionally attached ocean beduna maram oraga I was not unable to book my losses. So why is the book to andre candle this nu laga spy to draw 2:53 p.m. So I said that 2:53 p.m. da I said book to see candle sina one sigi trend line se kaithara matung si candle sida book to. This is a very wrong trend. Tina lang trend ni. I ki setup ki wang oda su lai ra. Si pullback lai ka si chang oda su chang ra. 20 EMA de ju yam la pa ka lai ra si chang ise. Already my stop loss was very big here. My 20 EMA was here. So I should have waited for the candle to come close to my 20 EMA. 20 EMA mana ta chang ko su ngai ra. Plus I system the stop loss half time lam tuna I took a very big stop loss here. Very big stop loss here, around 200 points. This is something that I should never try to repeat again. And since I was emotionally affected with this trade, see trade na I am emotional vision givina. Matang si ke kaita baga very illogically I took another trade again here. At around 256. 256 ta dum ai makha dam kom sangsing ra. Sangsing gan my stop loss was hit here. These two trades are very illogical trades. This was taken very emotionally, not logically. This is something that I should try to avoid next time. So overall, I lost around 21,000 today. The main losers were in these two trades, this trade and this trade. So this is something that I should try to avoid from next time. That's all for